Welcome to the AI-powered manufacturing process walkthrough. As the animation unfolds, observe how intelligence flows from the AI engine into every facet of production, from financial controls to production planning, quality checks, and final shipping. Each line and connection you see represents a live data exchange, forming a neural network that transforms a traditional manufacturing firm into a responsive, smart enterprise. The image, authored by Pradeep K. Suri and featured in his book Success by Design and Practice, visually depicts a modular AI-driven manufacturing process flow. At the center of the diagram is the AI engine, symbolizing the central intelligence unit that facilitates decision-making across various departments. It communicates directly with financial entities like accounting, bank, and government, enabling real-time financial governance and strategic oversight. The AI engine also collects feedback flows from operations and stock control to improve system responsiveness and efficiency. The diagram includes all critical departments of a manufacturing enterprise, such as marketing, engineering, purchasing, receiving, stock control, R&D, personnel, and shipping warehouse. Each department is linked via color-coded arrows representing information flow, orange, feedback flow, blue, and manufacturing flow, yellow. For example, marketing receives input from the customer, interacts with R&D for product development, and sends order approvals to accounting. Meanwhile, engineering and R&D collaborate to support manufacturing, which is at the core of operational activity. The diagram illustrates a closed-loop system where outputs are constantly evaluated and refined through feedback. For example, manufacturing not only receives directives from engineering and PPC, but also sends feedback to stock control and accounting. Purchasing coordinates with recertification and receiving, ensuring that quality and inventory align with strategic goals. The integration of all departments under the guidance of AI fosters agility, traceability, and end-to-end optimization, making the system highly adaptive and intelligent for real-world enterprise execution. Video explanation: AI-driven modular manufacturing process flow with PPC. Title: AI-driven modular manufacturing process flow with PPC. Inspired by the book, Success by Design and Practice, by Pradeep K. Suri. Brain core objective of the video. This animated video illustrates how various functional departments in a manufacturing organization are interconnected through intelligent process flows, driven by an AI engine. The focus is on integrating planning, PPC, operational, and feedback loops into a closed, intelligent system. The animation gradually builds up this ecosystem by showing the step-by-step formation of linkages between departments, mimicking the live evolution of enterprise-level data and process flows. Puzzle piece step-by-step process walkthrough. Green circle. Step 1, AI engine at the center. The AI engine serves as the command center, sending financial and operational data to accounting, bank, government. Represents strategic decisions, compliance, and governance triggers. Orange circle. Step 2, marketing triggers flow. Marketing begins the demand cycle by interacting with customers, collaborating with accounting for order billing, sending design requirements to engineering. Yellow circle. Step 3, engineering, R&D, and manufacturing kick in. Engineering and R&D forward specifications to manufacturing. This flow signals production initiation, based on innovation and design. Black circle. Step 4, procurement and quality initiation. Purchasing activates procurement. Orders go to recertification, quality control. Then to receiving. Ensures only qualified materials enter the system. Blue circle. Step 5, inventory management. Receiving sends approved items to stock control. Stock control maintains visibility across departments. Repeat button. Step 6, feedback and execution. Stock control feeds insights back to the AI engine. Manufacturing routes production feedback to shipping warehouse. Stock control. Personnel connect to manufacturing, labor planning. Abacus. Step 7, PPC, production planning and control, integration. PPC drives manufacturing load balancing, engineering coordination, stock visibility. Highlights real-time planning, material flow, and scheduling. Delivery truck final step, shipping to customer. Products are sent to shipping warehouse, ready for dispatch. Cycle closes the loop from customer request to fulfillment. Counterclockwise arrows button flow color legend, as animated. Small blue diamond color flow type description. Orange circle orange information flow order approvals, instructions, and planning. Blue circle blue feedback flow performance, inventory, and operational feedback. Black circle black manufacturing flow physical movement of materials/goods. Rainbow mixed AI PPC synchronization real-time, dynamic decision making and control. Magnifying glass tilted right mentor insight, why this video matters. Training tool, helps team leads and executives visualize how AI integrates with ERP. Communication bridge, bridges the gap between top management strategy and ground level execution. Scalability, easy to adapt for industry verticals like auto, electronics, aero, etc. Real-time analytics, each connection in the animation can be mapped to live dashboards, enabling predictive analytics. Pushpin optional enhancements. Add pause/play interactions to explain each stage. Export the animation as an MP4 for training or boardroom use. Overlay metrics/KPIs on flows in future versions, example cycle time, lead time, yield. Video explanation, approved vs received. From the book, Success by Design and Practice, diagram. Author, Pradeep K. Suri. 1. Context and purpose. This animated video illustrates a practical business insight, how approved quantities often differ from received quantities in operational workflows such as procurement, inventory, or production. The animation serves as a visual tool for decision makers, process analysts, and AI modelers to assess real-time gaps, delays, and discrepancies. 2. Visual breakdown. Bar charts, in sky blue, represent approved quantities. Line charts with markers, in orange, represent received quantities. The animation reveals data progressively by item, highlighting mismatches. Each frame adds another item, example item A to E, dynamically showing approval versus actuals in a stepwise manner. A dark background ensures high contrast and visual clarity. 3. Learning objective. The video is a visualization case study aligned with the book's principle. Design with accuracy, practice with integrity. It emphasizes the need for close monitoring between what is planned and what is executed. How variances in supply chain data can affect downstream processes like production planning, financial forecasting, and quality assurance. 4. Relevance of AI and analytics. This video is a prelude to integrating AI-based analytics. Predictive models can be trained to forecast discrepancies based on historical patterns. The visual format supports explainable AI, XAI, where the logic of variance is transparent to users. 5. Strategic takeaway. The animation helps organizations improve supplier accountability, tighten quality control, build automated alert systems when approved and received quantities differ beyond threshold values. Thank you for watching the video.